Hey you guys, welcome back. Vlogmas Day 13. Friday the 13th, y'all. By the way, sorry my videos are coming up a little late. It is because I'm having trouble with my memory and my camera, which has me posting late. So anywho, I have some more lost and found mail, honey. Now these were excuse my husband in the background. These were actually sent to me when the stamp plates were sent to me also. So they were all in one big box. So when I found the stamp plates, I also found these. And so now I'm going to show you. So they're from CC and Sissy. They're the acrylic drawer organizers. This one is a 2-drawer. This one is a 3-drawer. I haven't even opened them yet, you guys. They're unopened, so I guess I'll be doing a unboxing so I can show you guys. I'm really excited. Oh my god, I need these. So let me get situated. They're so big. I don't know if you guys will be able to see me open them. And the boxes are dusty, so that should let you know these have been lost for a while. I don't even know how to open it, y'all. Open up, break a nail. Okay, I figured it out. I'm an idiot. So it goes this way. Just look how simple that was. Ooh, look at that color, you guys.
I'm not going to be able to use one hand, so hold on guys, see if it looks awesome.
Ooh, okay. There's one. Oh my gosh. The color though. I don't think I've ever seen one that color. Let me work on this one. Look how pretty. This is the 3-drawer. Got them both upside down. Hold on. I forgot I had to take them out the box. Like dump them out so I wouldn't break a nail trying to pull them out. Okay. So, nice amount of space. Drawer 2. Drawer 3 I can't open. There we go. Wow, and they're big, y'all. They're a very good size. This one looks smaller. Let's set it on top. Let's see. Nope, same size. It's just wider since it's 2-drawer, and I love it. It looks like it's, let me turn this side out. I thought it was a fluorescent pink, but I think it's orange because it looks more orange on camera, but in IRL it has like a pink tint to it. But now that I turn the light off, let's see, without the camera light, yeah, it's orange. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love these, y'all. So I'll be using these for probably maybe like makeup or like my nail art stickers, maybe some rhinestones. I could put like makeup brushes in it and stuff like that. They're nice and hard, really sturdy. These are super cute. That's the bottom. Has these little soft silicone things on the bottom so it won't scratch up your table. And I love it. Gotta think about what I'm gonna put in these cuties. Like I have these little packs of stuff like this that I can throw in there. I can put like maybe my nail files in here or like tools or something. I'm gonna figure something out because I have like all this stuff in here. I've got a bunch of stuff up here that I could put in there. So you see my little bins are full. This one too, if you can see. So yeah, I have plenty I could put in there. Just have to decide. But I love them. So again, they're from CC and Sissy. The same company that I showed you, my stamp plate collection that they sent me, all those plates, my Lost and Found video number 1, it's from them. So I'll try to remember to leave a link in the description box in case you guys want to go check these out. I believe that you can find them on Amazon, CC and Sissy on Amazon. So hopefully these are still available. I'll try to look it up and see if it is on Amazon for sure, or their website, and see what the price is. And if I find out, I'll put it in the video once I edit it to let y'all know how much they cost. But I love them. I needed these. All right, that's it. Vlogmas Day, Friday the 13th. Please remember to subscribe, click the like button, share, comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.